early. Good morning. It's currently 6:20 in the morning, and yeah, we're starting the day. Harry's been up all night. Let me show you what Harry's been up to. Harry has all the contents of the wash locker because Harry's doing. Oh, that's why Harry's cleaning it. Yeah, wow, overexposure. Was not prepared for that. Yeah, this is what Harry's cleaning. All of the wash locker. What a good lad.
That's Flight with Friends.
A simple taste
So we're currently in Gibraltar right now, and we're going to be heading over to Marbella. But I just wanted to do like a little update video just to let you guys know what we've been doing and why there hasn't been a video in a while. So the last video you saw was the boat going into the water in June, and it's now September. So where have we been for the last few months? Well, we've been pretty busy. We've been so busy that I really just haven't had any time to edit, and that's why I have this crazy backlog. But yeah, we've been all over the med. Gotta be a bit quiet because we can get some wood, so I don't want to shout, but I'll keep you posted.
Getting ready to depart. Prep all the lines, take them down to 4 turns or so, just so they're quicker to get rid of, like that. Just close that.
Just gonna go in to here, the crawl space, where the steering rams are, and do the steering checks. And Rory's over there putting away the hose. Hey Rory! So, pre-departure checks. We go into steering flats and we check the rams. Okay, so what these are the steering rams connected to the rudders. So we do this as like a pre-departure check to make sure that we've got steering. And we do it from the 2 wings and from the bridge. Hard port. Center. Starboard. Back to center. Stop. Center. I think you get the idea.
Okay, later. I'll come to last.
Copy that. Head on starboard. And wash on port.
Okay, kick the port.
Head on port.
What have you done, Turkish?
Leaving June.
This is Jake's first entry. It's a Tom and Joe show. I've got to take the tender out of Gibraltar port, followed by customs because apparently the engines are too fast for them and they're worried that I'm going to be smuggling drugs across the border. So there we go, here's my escorts, top guys.
So we're just coming in, and you would think we'd have it all sorted because we were in here a couple of days ago. But, so basically what happened last time was we stuck a shackle on here and we took it our own line off this ground line. The problem was with that was when we paid out, the shackle sunk and it was a pain in the butt to get it back. We've actually taken up more now. It'll be easier, but we might be leaving it at midnight, so we want it so that we have it perfectly set up just to drop and no one has to be in the tender. So what we're going to do is we're going to, he's got two, basically I've got it up on this like almost like this very thin painter. It's about 1 inch in diameter. I want these beefy 2-inch ones. So we're going to take one from here and then one from there, and then it's going to split into the fairlead. So we'll have port line coming up here off the top of the chain and starboard line from that shackle into there, and then it'll just basically pull the bow straight up towards the direction of the chain. Be a slight lead over to port, but this is the problem with only having one chain, and it's better to have it through both fairleads than just to have it through just the one, even if we're only here for a day. Who knows? This is my hand. It's been pulling up ground lines, so it's all disgusting. Blah. So that's what we're trying to sort out at the moment. And he's going to go and get some help because it's a lot to ask. It really wasn't a 5-minute job. I feel disgusting. I am covered in what can only be described as poo. But we have 2 fat ground lines attached to one chain, but it's better than nothing. It'll do. We're only here for like a day. What is Rory up to? What are you doing?
Good luck.
Yeah, people might actually think there's a real stairs there. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. It's something a bit different than I normally do. That was like all in one day. That was all today. So it's currently 12:15. So I've been up for like 18 hours, including my day shift, and I made this video. So, you know, that's a busy day. Let me know if you liked it. If you didn't like it, let me know as well, because otherwise you'll end up seeing more stuff like this down the line. I have so much to share with you guys, but it's kind of like just finding the time to do it, because we are literally just flat out coming to an end. Like, we're right near the end of the season now, so hopefully we'll have some more free time and lots more content to come. But that said, if you can think of something that you want to see or you want to ask questions about, I'm more than happy to kind of like make a comment, like reply stuff, and maybe make a video if enough people ask for the same thing. Yes, I'm gonna finish it here and go to bed, because tomorrow's another day.